Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Web Security Bootcamp channel. In this video, we will complete Lab 2 of the PortSwigger series on SQL injection using Burp Suite. Reminder, this is for education and authorized testing only. Here's the lab we'll be working on today. I've included the link in the video description so you can try it yourself. SQL injection happens when user input is inserted into SQL queries without proper filtering. This allows attackers to change how the query works, commonly to bypass logins or access sensitive data. If you want to learn more about SQL injection, I have a video, SQL Injection for Beginners. I will leave a link in the description under the video. Our target is to exploit the login form, bypass authentication, and log in as administrator. To do this, we'll capture and modify the request in Burp. Open the lab, go to the My Account section and try using dummy credentials. I will use the login administrator and the password 123456. You can use any password you like. We can't log into the account and see the message, invalid username or password. Let's now intercept the request in Burp and change it. Enable interception in Burp. Enter the username administrator and any password. Then click Login. In Burp, find the intercepted post request and select it. Scroll down in the Request tab and find the username and password parameters. Now after the word administrator, add a single quote, --. Click Forward to send the request. The single quote closes the line and the two hyphens comment out the rest of the request. This will bypass the password check and log you in as an administrator. Here, what's happening on the server? Normally, the application would run a query like select from users where username equals administrator and password equals 123456. But when we inject administrator single quote --, we close the username string and comment out the rest, so the password check is ignored and the query effectively becomes select from users where username equals administrator. A quick security note, passwords should never be stored or compared in plain text. Secure applications hash passwords, for example with bcrypt, script, or argon2 and use salts, and they use parameterized queries or prepared statements so user input can't alter SQL logic in the first place. That's it. Burp Suite Lab 2 is complete. In the next video, we'll look at how to find and exploit the same vulnerabilities directly in the browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly content on cybersecurity and ethical hacking. And don't forget to check the video description for all the links we mentioned. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write them in the comments. See you in the next one.